offensive rebound. Ball out of bounds off the Aztecs. I don't believe it. Aronis again. Will shoot the three. Good. X driving all the way. Put up a runner. 4-footer. Tipped up by Dennis Davis. No basket. It's overtime. Absolutely miraculous finish by New Mexico State. Pull up 17-footer. Good. That's Thames. Colby with a drive and a running 4-footer over the big guy. Good. A 6 by 5. Baker at the buzzer for 3. No, and the ball game is over. The NCAA second round in Spokane belongs to San Diego State.
On Monday, I'm going to be 69 years old. And let me tell you something. I've been in multiple NCAA tournaments where we played so good and got sent home. We didn't play very good in the second half for a stretch. And we're advancing. You should be in here excited as hell and be jubilant about the fact that we now are going to be on Friday, one of 32 teams left to play. This makes history, man. Together. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Good job, Moses.
Gotta love coaches. They can see whatever they need to see to try to motivate their players. He's right, they did not play very well, and they probably were lucky to beat New Mexico State after blowing a 7-point lead with about a minute left. But Xavier Thames came through as he usually does. We talked about how valuable Scotty Wilbekin is to Florida for a team that has a real hard